Apart from multimeters and current pincers, the APPA company releases converters of current voltage. By construction, the devices look as part of the current pincers. Current sponges are preserved in construction, for instance. There is a Y outlet, but the current indicator is missing. The converter converts the constant and alternate current into constant and alternate voltage. The major property of the converter is its steepness, expressed in millivolts to ampere. That is, the voltage will appear on the potential outlets as current passes through the sponge pincers. For instance, the steepness of 10 millivolts to 1 ampere means that as a current of 1 ampere passes, the voltage on the potential ends will be 10 millivolts, and at the current of 10 amperes, the voltage will be 100 millivolts. The devices are first of all designed to expand the functions of digital multimeters. Any multimeter having the highest metrological properties, a wide range of additional functions, and even computer connection have one sufficient drawback. The maximum current measurable does not exceed 10 amperes. The multimeter equipped with this converter in the regiment of voltage allows measuring current of up to 600 amperes. Unfortunately, as the inlet of the measuring voltage is used, the measuring unit is the volt, as the steepness will not equal 10 millivolts for 1 ampere, but will constitute 10 millivolts for 1 ampere or 100 millivolts for 1 ampere. So that in order to obtain the measurement result, you'll have to divide the initial result by 10 or 100 correspondingly. The second sphere to use the converters is the visual control of the current shape when connected to a oscillograph with a high ohm inlet. In this case, by grasping the current conducting wire, you may measure the force, shape and distortion of the current. If the oscillograph allows recording the shape of the signal or connecting to the computer, you may document the current shape. The APPA 32 converter allows converting both alternate and constant current, having the manual construction of zero compensation in the absence of constant current.